In this video, we're going to show you how to install the fender liner on your Honda Ridgeline located behind your front wheels. Using a 22mm socket, you gotta loosen and remove your lug nuts. Once you have your lug nuts removed, go ahead and grab that wheel, remove it, and set it aside. After you remove the front wheel, I'm going to go ahead and remove our splash guard here. There are a total of 5 Phillips head screws. We're going to go ahead and use our Phillips head screwdriver, loosen and remove these. Now that we have these screws removed here, we're going to move to the back side of it and remove that one. Probably going to be filled with dirt, so be prepared to lose all kinds of stuff here. Onto the front side of the vehicle here, we have a 10mm bolt right here. Loosen and remove that. I'm going to move a little bit further back, and there's going to be a couple of plastic retainer buttons. You're going to use your trim tool, and you want to get underneath and pop out the center of these buttons. Once you work them out a little bit, then the rest of the button will come out. Let's move to this side right here. Now, sometimes these break, so you have to source some replacements. They're plastic and they can be fragile. Now there's a series of these plastic buttons going all the way around down to the back side of the fender liner. Go ahead and remove all of these. Pull on that fender liner and work it out. With your fender liner up in place, you want to go ahead and line up this section here. Go ahead and install one of your buttons to hold that in place. Now what we're simply going to do is start to install our plastic push buttons all the way across the top. Let's go ahead and do that. Make sure that your fender liner is pushed on the inside of the bumper lip. I'm going to install our buttons underneath the front portion here. On the leading edge of our old splash guard here, you want to go ahead and remove this metal retainer. Now this is what your 10mm screw goes into. We need to swap that over. Just slide off of that, and we're going to reinstall it onto the new one. Go ahead and install your 10mm bolt. Like to get it started by hand first. Once you get that started, go ahead and snug that down gently. And take your mud guard right here, line this up. Just gonna get this started. You don't want to tighten it yet. You want to have the flexibility to get all the other ones lined up and started. Once you get all 5 of these started, come on back and we'll tighten them down. All 5 are started. Now we can go ahead and tighten them all down. You just want to snug them. Once they bottom out, just give them a little bit more. All right. Now you can install your wheel, and once you're done with that, you're all set. Go ahead and grab your wheel, line that up. We'll install our lug nuts. Once we have all of these started, we'll go ahead and snug those down. Let's now go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 94 foot-pounds. When doing this, you want to do it in a crisscross or star pattern. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.